presumably from eating pet food made from infected cow parts.
This seemed to be another example of BSE crossing the species and going into another type of mammal. Obviously, cat's not the same as a human, but if it can go from cow to cat, why not from cow to human?
But what was the infectious agent causing these diseases? Scrapie in sheep, mad cow disease, Kuru and CJD in humans. All are what are called prion diseases. Prions are proteins which exist in the brain. One theory is that rogue or damaged prions from the brains of infected cows make their way into a human's brain after ingesting contaminated meat, where they come into contact with healthy prions. These rogue prions then damage the healthy prions, causing the holes and sponge-like appearance in the brains of victims of new variant CJD. But this is just a theory. If it's correct, it explains why cooking does not eliminate the problem. Prions are virtually indestructible and remain in contaminated meat even after it's been cooked in high temperatures. Not even radiation can kill them. But not all medical researchers agree. Some think it may be a virus or something similar.
If it is any type of virus, it's for sure different from any other virus that we know about. People have looked for viruses, nucleic acid, for many, many years, and none has ever been demonstrated.
To see if mad cow disease could jump species, Dr. Maura Bruce conducted an experiment. She took 2 groups of mice and injected the first group with brain tissue from victims of new variant CJD. The second group was infected with tissue taken directly from cows with BSE, or mad cow disease. After death, the tissue in their brains were analyzed.
We saw a very similar pattern of disease in these mice to the one that we'd previously seen in mice infected with BSE from cattle. The demonstration that the same strain of agent was involved in new variant CJD and BSE strengthened the link between the two.
The likelihood of a link between mad cow disease and new variant CJD in humans was finally established.
Clearly it was very disturbing. And if that were the case, it was quite likely that there would be more cases of this type of CJD linked to BSE, and that might have major public health consequences. So clearly this was a very, very serious issue.
But the question remained, how many others who ate contaminated meat in England were going to die? The Churchills learned the truth about what killed their son in an unfortunate way. They were watching a television broadcast from the House of Commons as a British health official announced to the world that their son had died from eating contaminated meat.
The committee have concluded that the most likely explanation at present